Okay, next topic we have a UOM or item. Anything we can discuss. Let's discuss UOM topic, unit of measure. Okay, unit of measure. We'll go in sequence. So UOM, the full name is unit of measure. Okay, unit of measure. So this unit of measure, uh, it depend on the business. If they're manufacturing, pharmaceutical related, right? Then they will be having volume related measurement, right? Volume related. Like if they're manufacturing syrups, they should measure it with volume. Okay, 5 ml, 10 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml, like that. They have to measure it. Okay, and the same way the tablets they have to go with each. Okay, if you are manufacturing a laptop, like any electronic items, right? Then you go for each only, each. Okay, if you are manufacturing a if you're manufacturing any beverages, okay, labs like Sprite, Thumbs Up, right? Those like beverages, then they go for volume related. Volume, okay? Liters, 2 liter, 2 liters, and all. Like again, it will decide based on the what business, what item they're manufacturing it. Okay. And some companies will even use conversions. Okay. So how it is, for example, same um, um, same volume related company only. For example, Sprite company. Okay, Sprite, they can manage in their side. Like we as a customers, we manage 1 liter bottle like that, right? Okay. For company's point of view, they will measure. They will even measure volume. They even measure one each bottle, like each bottle, and they even measure case, one box like that. Okay, one case, one box like that. In that case, what is happening here? There is volume is one UOM in UOM. Okay, one UOM class, and this case, whatever is there, case or box, is other UOM class. Okay, other UOM class. Like it is a each. The case or box is a each unit class, and this liters, whatever the liters is there, right? That is volume class. Okay, volume class. So now you have to define UOM conversion. It is like one case of box equal to 50 liters. Okay, 50 liters, or one case. Again, this is between two UOM classes, right? Two UOM classes. And again, you can also measure like one case equal to 24 each, 24 bottles. So now what is happening here? You are doing a conversion within the same UOM class. Instead of making you confused, let open the document. I have given examples and all. UOMs, UOM. Yeah, next topic. Yeah, topic 2 is UOM only. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Yeah. So this purpose, as I told you, right, measuring the item quantity. And this when it is needed, whenever you perform any transaction, this you have to select, or it will default from the item setup. Okay, the UOM, whatever it is there, it will default. And these UOMs are global specific. See, UOMs all are global only. We cannot maintain for South India one measurement, and for North India one measurement. It should not be. It's a global. Okay, UOMs are global, application specific. So UOMs are classified as three: UOM classes, codes, and conversions. We were talking about classes, UOM class, and UOM conversion, right? Just before opening this topic. Okay, UOM class is something like this: quantity, weight, volume, distance, time. These are classes, UOM classes. And UOM codes, This each, dozen, case, packet, gram, kilogram, quintal, ton, this milliliter, liter, these are all codes, UOM codes. Okay. And UOM conversions, like you are doing a conversion, as I told you one example, right? Case, like pa- packet, box we have here. Okay. Box to liters you are converting. Okay. So you have one box, that box equal to 50 liters. What you are doing now, from volume to quantity, like quantity or unit. Okay, you're doing a conversion, saying that one box equal to 50 liters. Okay, so this is between two UOM classes you are doing a conversion. Again, we have conversion types: standard UOM conversion, intra and inter UOM conversion. Okay, we'll discuss that later. Let's now understand this. So now again, you're doing a box to one box equal to 24 or 25, each bottle, means 2 liters bottle is there. Okay, 2 liters bottle, and one box equal to 25 bottles. Now what you are doing now, you are doing is same, within the same UAN class you are doing a conversion. Okay, you are doing a conversion. And again here, if you see, this is a simple known one, right? Dozen. Basically, we measure, if you are buying a banana, we buy, I need 1 dozen, half dozen, or 2 dozens, like that, right? We also buy in kgs, that is fine. Okay, kgs also we buy. So now here, dozen, we know dozen equal to 12 each, 12 unit. So now what you're doing? You are doing a standard, like within the same UOing class, you are doing a conversion. Okay. Is everyone clear on this? Hmm?
Yes, Shiva.
Yeah, okay. Fine. Now let's go and we'll define UOM classes first. UOM classes. Now you understand here we discussed standard UOM conversion also. Okay. Standard UOM conversion and intra also we discussed within the same. Standard UOM conversion in the sense like this kind of dozen equal to 12 each. That is like standard. Okay. Standard UOM conversion. Okay. And and one more thing, and if you want to, if you are going for weight, right, kg. Okay, and if you are measuring standard UOM conversion for kilogram, okay, kg, you are measuring grams, 100 gram, of 1000 grams. Okay, 1000 grams, like this is standard UOM conversion within the same. Okay, within the same, these are all, even if you go with a quintal or ton, right? So same, quintal, 100 kgs, ton, 1000 kgs, like this is standard within the same. Okay, and intra is like intra again. If you go to this box, depend on item, it will change, right? If it is a huge item, maybe it will only fit 10 units. Okay, 10 units. Or if you take the same box, if you go with now earlier we taken 2 liters example, right? If you go and take 1 liter, it will go for again 50 units. Okay, it will keep on change, but this dozen will not change, it will always same only. And the same way this kilograms also. So how many grams for kilogram? 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay, this will not change anywhere, correct, but this box, packet, case will change. That is intra. Okay, intra UOM conversion. And inter UOM conversion, that is between two UOM classes. Okay, fine. So let's go and now add all UOM classes. This whatever is the showing here, we'll go and add all UOM classes here. Okay, fine. Go to the application. So go to the setups, UOMs, okay, UOM classes, UOM classes. First we'll define UOM class and then UOM codes. Anything is fine, okay, class. Yeah. So here, see, we can Oracle will provide everything. See, if you want to use Oracle registron, you can use. Okay, I'll just define a few. Okay, it is fine. So if you want to define your own, right, you should have your own naming. See, this naming is a unique. Okay, unique. You cannot duplicate. You cannot duplicate. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to you have to make your own naming. Like I'll keep prefix as a. Let's see if there is any quantity, right? First is quantity, qt. This will allow only limited characters. Okay, for example, yeah, it is not allowing more than this. Let me write quantity. Yeah, quantity, a underscore quantity, and this base unit a qt quantity, uin code qty. Okay, quantity. What base unit we have to add here? Base unit should not be like quantity, it should be like each a each each. Okay, let me just save. It is there. Yeah, it is there. If something is this one, it is already existed, right? It won't allow you to save. For example, I'll just give here. See, you cannot use it. It is already used. You cannot use it. You have to go with different. That is how it will. Okay, this one and this one also same. Okay, fine. Now let me just change it. Next is weight, right? Weight. Next is weight. One base unit you have to add here. Okay. Now I'll add a kg, kilogram, kg, and here a. Okay. You can even go with the caps only. It's fine. Then next is a value. Same a. I'll go with liters. LT liters. ALT. Next is a distance. Distance it is something like kilometers, right? 500 meters. Okay. Kilometer, 100 kilometers like that. Okay. Here a distance. For distance, km. I'll write km, kilometers. A km. And here finally time. I'll go with hour. Okay. HR, hour. A HR, hour. Okay. It is already existed. A HR is already H existed seems. What I'll do, you can even go with small letter, small letter. See, hour. We measure which are like hour, right? Something. Or if you want to maintain, you can maintain full name over here. But in the UOM, it is only accept three characters. You cannot, it should not accept more than three. It is hour. So if you want to try, you can try. See, it will not accept. It is hour. Okay, fine. I think one, two, three, five. Five UOM classes we have defined. These are a maximum used UOM classes, right? Whenever we see, we have quantity, something like one bottle, one packet, one laptop, like that you can measure here. And weight is 1 kg. Okay, quintal, ton we measure over here. And this is liter. Okay, 5 ml, milliliter, liter we measure here. And distance, okay, kilometers we measure 500 meters, 100 meters or 50 meters, like this we measure here. And the time, seconds, okay, seconds, minutes, hours, 24 hours, day we will measure in the time. These are the main measurements normally we see in real time, right? Fine. Now this UOM classes we have defined. Now go and add UOM codes. For each one we'll go and add codes. Just click on this UOM measure, unit of measure, okay, here itself. So this will default because you have given one base in it. This is the base in it for this UOM class. Okay, base in it. Now next is, what else is there? We have dozen. We have, it is here, dozen, case, packet, box. A, A, T, G. This is A. So this base in it here, the checkbox will automatically enable. Okay, it is fine. Dozen, packet, packet, anything is fine. This should not be duplicate. If there is already exist, right, this will not allow you to enter again. A, case, CS, box. Okay. So all UAN codes we have added under this quantity UAN class. Under this class we have added UAN codes. Okay. UAN codes we have added. Fine. Just close this. Again, if in future if you want to inactivate, you can just give here inactivation date. That is fine. Now for weight. For weight, what are all this? Grams, kilogram, quintal, ton, right? Gram, kilogram, quintal, ton. Click, put the cursor over here. Unit of measure. Kg we already added. We don't need to add again this kilogram. We don't need to add. We'll add gram and quintal and ton. Okay. A, gram, A, G, R. No, it will allow only three characters. G, R. A, quintal. A, Q, T. A, Q, T we already added, correct? Somewhere. Quantity, no, we not added, not added. Then a ton, tn. Okay, ton. Fine. The same way go and add for this volume. Okay, milliliter, liter, this two only, right? We maximum see. Okay, milliliter, liter. Liter already is there. Okay, liter we already added. Now just go and add milliliter, milliliter. A ml, milliliter. Description. You can just copy this one and you can paste it. That's it. Okay, fine. There, close this. Now distance. Distance we already added our, correct. We already added our. Now just add meter. Just add meter. That is fine. ME. A, save it. For time we already added AH means HR hour, right? We already added this hour HR we added. Now seconds, minute and day. Okay. Seconds, minute and day. Where is it? Yeah. Click on A S E A S E C seconds. You can even add here the time, right? You can add week also. You can add quarter also. You can also add 6 months. Okay, half year. We can add 1 year. Okay, this is time duration we are measuring, right? Okay, so seconds over day, a week. This will when it will help, right? Like you are purchased a IT service, some service you purchased, some contract is there. The contract is like duration is it's like 1 year duration. In that case what you do is you will go and define 1 year UOM measure, and that 1 year UOM measure you will be having again month. Okay, you will do standard UOM conversion, like 1 year equal to 12 months, like that. And you will use the purchase order to place and for payment purpose and everything. Okay, a week, a month, empty month. It is already there. Empty already there. So mh. Why I'm giving a here? It is a starting prefix or company prefix name. Okay, for ours to recognize. If you ask me, yeah, it is same there in a real time. No, it won't be, because they are the only uh, application, right? They cannot access other companies details and all. They only access their company. In that case they even simply go with what Oracle provided one. Okay, now here I'm showing you how you can go and create your owns. Okay, own month. You can go with year. Y, yeah, YR. Okay, fine. So now we have added all UOM codes. UOM classes we have created up to here. Now let's query ours related only. A underscore, A underscore. These are all ours. Okay, these are all ours. It came with others one also. Let me just go and clear it. I'm not deleting that. I'm just clearing from the view. Okay. Okay. These are all we have defined. Correct. This all we have defined. First we define this one, right? So UAing classes we defined and UAing codes we assigned. Okay. Now let's see conversions. Let's see conversions. Put the cursor here and click on conversions. Conversions. If you see here, right, as I told, standard conversion, intra and inter. Okay. Standard, standard, intra and inter. Fine. Now let's see one standard conversion. Okay. One each like equal to one piece. If you see it is already, it will default already. Okay. One each, one each. Now for dozen, right? Let's go and choose for dozen equal to 12 each. Okay. 12 each. I think this is standard only. Rest this one will change the box, case, and all right. It will change. Keep on. It's a company. It's an even in their company itself. Depend on the bottle measurements, height, width, and all right. It will change the box. Okay. Based on again box size also will change. Right. Not all the boxes in the same measurement. Okay. So this will not come to standard UVM conversion. Okay, this will not come to standard event conversion. This is fine here. Save it. Now we'll define all now standard event conversion for each event class. Okay, now next is weight. Right, go to the weight. mm, now the base one we have to select here. We have to select the base is grams we have to select. Okay, what I'll do is, let me go and see now. Gram we have to select as base. This should not be. No, it will not allow now. It will not allow. This okay. Fine. So when you are defining this standard, right, for a weight, how it will come? Here it should be grams. Okay. Grams. Okay. And when you add here kg is like 1000 grams. Here you have to enter 1000 and it will be showing base unit as gram. Okay. Gram. Okay. For quintal, yes, we can use this. For quintal, 100 kgs. And for ton, 1000 kgs. This is standard Event conversion. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Just give me a second. I'll put the charge. Yeah. Okay. Now in the same way, let's go and do it for others. Wait. Now volume. Volume also we select a liter, right? We might select milliliter. That's okay. Fine. Here 1 liter. It's okay. Fine. Now let's go here time for 1 hour. For 1 day, you can go and select day is there, right? Day. So 1 day, 24 hours. Okay. And per week, this is all standard. Either you define or not define, it's okay. Okay. And here you selected hour, right? For 1 week, how many hours and all you can select. This is fine, not required now. Okay. These are all standard. Okay. And then what else is there? Distance. It's fine. Fine. Now these are all standard event conversion. Hope you everyone got it right. What is standard event conversion? Hmm? What is standard event conversion? Hope you all got it right. Now let's go and see what is intra. Okay, intra UOM conversion. Fine. Now go here, intra. Go to the intra. Here, select the item. Now go to the first one. First one. This is the one which we defined. Right. Now go to the intra. Intra. Go to the. Now if you want to go here, you have to select. You have to select the. You have to create the item. These two are item specific. Okay. Based on item, it will change the measurement. But this is something like standard event conversion. Okay, always if it is a dozen, always it is 12 only. It cannot be changed. This is the standard. For intra and all, these two are item specific. We need to have the item. So now we are defining. We are in quantity, right? So what we can take? We have, I think, only one item is available. One item is available. Item. So item, why item is not coming here? Why item is not coming here? Because this unit, right? This base unit. With this base unit, there is no item. That is the reason the item is not coming here. Any item is not coming here. With this base unit, we need to create item. Okay. Let's go and just create one item. So for this, what I'll take an example. What I'll take an example is I will take. mm, I have to take the box. Box I have to take. Viewing class is defaulted here. Let's see. I'll define one item with this base in it. These are all again so one time whenever the application is implementing, right? So one time setup only. Okay. There is no again no need to add keep on go add new measurements. It's measurements are all static, right? It's not come again if you go to the feature. It will not like it will keep on increase measurements and all. Whatever it is there, it is that's it. Just a second. Yeah. Let me just go and define one item. So laptop only we already defined. Let me query that if you can change. Yeah, we cannot change it. Once we save right this one UOM, we cannot change. So what I'll do, I'll define one more item with a two. Item number two. Okay, now here, now you go and select yours. A each. This is one we defined, right? VA each. Okay. I'll just select some copy from. I'll tell you what is this all template copy from everything. Okay. Save it and I'll assign to this org, Bangalore org. Okay, fine. Now come to this form. Now if you go here, you will see the item. Yeah, see now item is coming. Okay, source. Source is I'll select. I'll keep it. I'll keep this all these laptops in one box, and I'm giving this box contains 24 each. 24 pieces means one box equal to 24 these laptops. This is intra event conversion. Intra. What you're doing here, you're doing same within the same viewing class, you're doing a conversion. Okay. Same viewing class, you are doing a conversion. Okay. Fine. So you can add one more example if you want to want the same item only. If you want to measure in some other, for example, Packet is there, right? Packet, we cannot measure it. So why box is not showing here? Because you already used the box. Okay, case. In case I may go for 15. Okay, but this is not applicable. Box is applicable for laptop. Okay, hope you understood, right? This. Hmm? Save it. This is intra. Now in the same way, let's go and see for interclass. For interclass. For interclass, right? You need an item where it where the item you can measure in something like each, something is like kg, something is like volume. What kind of items we have? Mm, if you take an example of if you take an example of milk, right? Milk, you will measure it in liters, in packet, right? You will measure in liters and packet, one packet. That is fine. Mm, but what I'll do is, what I'll do is, anyhow, I have this item. Okay, for this, with this item, this is one each. One each means one laptop equal to how many kgs I will specify here, so that I'm doing a conversion between quantity UN class and weight UN class. Okay, now select the same here. This one select ABC one came. Okay, one each equal to quantity class. No, no, it should not be. It should not be. Our two is not coming because each, right? So what I'm trying to do now is, right, I need one item that I will be one each equal to like 4 kgs. Means one laptop equal to 4 kgs. Like that. I want to specify. So in this case, okay, one each equal to 4 kgs. So let me, I'll define an item. Oh, we have 1 minute. I fine. We will see tomorrow. Okay. This interclass UA version we will see tomorrow. It is simple only. If we understand, right, it is very simple. If we confuse, right, then it is very difficult again. But doing these conversions and all, it's difficult. If we understand, that's it's very simple. Okay. And again, you don't need to spend much time. This is one time, right? And I'll tell you where you have to spend much time and you have to practice more. Okay. Any questions for today class session? Fine. If you know, if you don't have any questions, then we can